Akriti Ophthalmic has established itself as a leader in innovation within the field of eye health. With a commitment to providing accessible, affordable, and high-quality eye care solutions, the Akriti Ophthalmic has revolutionized the industry through its cutting-edge products and technologies. Patient counseling been always a problem to each and every eye care professionals, as many a time decision to be taken for children by parents, and sometime it is by their near one in elderly patients. Many patients drop out of treatment as they are unable to understand the exact problem in eyes and hence keep looking for other options. Akriti Ophthalmic develops eye disease simulation kit to solve the problem for these difficult conditions, as traditional eye models and eye charts are unable to do so. Akriti Ophthalmic Eye Disease Simulation Kit is coming with 15 eye simulation glasses, comprised of refractive error, amblyopia, cataracts, glaucoma, various retinal disease such as retinal detachment, age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, vitreous hemorrhage, and even eyelid ptosis. Products was launched at American Academy of Ophthalmology 2024 at Chicago by Professor Dr. Natarajan Sundaram, Chief of Clinical Services, Aditya Jayot Eye Hospital, and Chief of Vitro Retina Services, Dr. Agrawal Group of Hospitals, along with Dr. Abhay Vasavada, President of Asia Pacific Association of Cataract and Refractive Surgeons, and Chairman of Ragadeep Eye Hospital, India. It comes with the instruction leaflet for patients' understanding, and even caretaker can actually feel the exact issue with problem and make them to take right decision for the treatment. Akriti Ophthalmic Eye Disease Simulation Kit comes in handy case which can be placed anywhere in counseling room or even doctor cabin. For more details, visit at www.akriti.co.in.